To do a little good in the world. That's probably why you became a trustee, and certainly why your charity was set up. When your charity achieves what it was set up to do, what's called its purpose, society benefits. But how sure are you that the activities of your charity help deliver its purpose and comply with its governing document and the law? Happily, there's a simple way of turning uncertainty into confidence and ensuring your charity does what it was set up to do. The Charity Commission registers and regulates charities in England and Wales. We also provide a range of support for trustees, including a 5-minute guide full of tips and advice called Delivering Purpose. It's a must-read for every trustee. It highlights the importance of your charity's governing document, which sets out what your charity is set up to achieve, who it's there to benefit, and what activities it can or cannot do. Every charity has a governing document, and every trustee should be familiar with it. And while you don't need to be a legal expert, you must ensure your charity complies with the law. After all, running a charity isn't always plain sailing, but by understanding the rules and purpose outlined in your charity's governing document, you're less likely to drift off course. Your charity's purpose isn't a nice to have, but an essential guiding star, directing your charity's activities, helping it run smoothly for beneficiaries, communities, and society as a whole. It means your charity will be delivering what it promises, strengthening the public's trust. And that's the purpose of purpose. Take 5 minutes to read the guide and refresh your knowledge today.